Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to search for an image using a Google search. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a fair few different ways to do it, so I'm just going to show you two quick ways. So the first way is to open up any web browser and head on over to google.com, and then when you're inside Google, you'll see where you import the information inside this search bar here, and you got the microphone, then you got like a little camera icon. So to search for an image, click on the camera icon, and what I'll do, access your photos and then go ahead and choose a photo you'd like to search for. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now. Alright, I'm inside my file, so what I want to do is go ahead and search for this car, and now I'm going to click on search, and then if we scroll down you can see all the search results for that car. And the other way to do a Google search is to use the Google app on your phone. So go ahead and click on the Google app and then click again on the camera icon, and it'll open up your files inside your phone. Same thing here, I'm going to search for this ship here. And now if I scroll down, you can see all the similar searches to that ship